Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share these items with you because they go perfectly with our picnic time club stamp and dies. Now, of course, I couldn't just stop with a monkey and a turtle, right? I had to go further. I had to get a little piggy in there and a cute little bunny. And here we go. These guys are actually having tea. There's a little teapot, teacups, some cookies. It's tea time. Let's eat. Every day is a picnic when you're with friends. You're my cup of tea. Tea is always a good idea. Thanks a bunch, and let's do lunch. So cute. Now, yes, my friends, of course, there's dies that match. And you know there's going to be more scenes, right? Because I always go crazy. It's picnic time. Let's get lunch. Sending you a basket of sunshine and get well wishes. Life is a picnic. Enjoy every bite. Surprise, it's a picnic party. Sending you pig hugs and well wishes. No one said it would be a picnic. And let's catch up at the picnic. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Now, let's keep moving because we also have the words, and I know it doesn't look like anything here, but it says, and I'm trying to find, oh, here it is. It says, every day with you is a picnic. And it does have a shadow die. Isn't that awesome? So you can use it without the shadow die or with the shadow die. Look at that cute little pig and that little turtle having lunch. I love it. So adorable. And last but not least is this really, really fun. Look how large and in charge this is. I want to show it to you because it's really cool. It is a fruit folded. So it is a bunch of fruit. And what are we even officially calling it? Fruit folded. Okay. There's cherries, a strawberry, an orange, and some watermelon. So much fun. Perfect for you got it, picnic. Now, those items, the first 24 hours they're on our website. You want to know a secret? They're on flash sale. The first 24 hours they're on our website. And we make up some bundles of all 5 of those items. If you get in as soon as possible on the website, the first 24 hours or until sold out, we also have a bundle of those items, meaning you save even more than the flash sale prices. I know, right? Okay, let's move on. I want to show you all my awesome samples, and then you need to run to the website if you have not already, because, you know, once the flash sale's gone, it's gone, right? Here we go. It's a picnic party. Look how cute those little guys are. Here's one. Every day with you is a picnic. So cute. Hi, life's a picnic. Enjoy every bite. Oh, let me see if I can open this one. There we go. Look how cute that is. Aren't they adorable, you guys? And you can definitely do them singly, just by themselves, right? Look at this cute little guy. Or with friends. With friends. Look how cute they are right there. Or on a stand-up. Let's do lunch. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look how awesome that is. So adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. And, oh, let's look at some fruit. Okay, on a 5x7, look at how awesome this is. We also have on there the blanket. You could use the picnic basket as a the picnic tablecloth as a basket. Look at that. Cheryl is a genius. She flipped it around and made it a basket. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So creative. Here we go. Every day with you is a picnic. Love it. Oh, look at these cute little guys. Look how cute. I love this. I love this. This is on the Bouncy A2 card die set. They are ready for a picnic. I love it. Ooh, are you ready for this one? I love this one. Sending you pig hugs and well wishes. Look at all those cute little guys hanging out there. So adorable. Isn't that, if you sent this to someone that was getting well, that was in the hospital or they're homesick in bed, how amazing would they be? They would just be thrilled to get this in the mail, right? So cute. Ooh, here's a fun one. There's that fruit again. Happy as an ant at a picnic. Now what we're going to do, check this out. You guys see that little fold right there? They turned this into a stand-up. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that awesome? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, here's another one. Oh, the little turtle with the fruit. Can you just, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Here's another idea for the fruit. You can color it or you can use die cuts. I absolutely love it. Ooh, here's another one. Oh my goodness. Every day with you is a picnic. Look at how fun that is. Using our little ants. I love that. I love that so much. That's from the Picnic to Stamp die set back in the day. Ooh, here's a yummy one. This is like yummy looking fruit. Look at that. Look at that. We got our little blanket back there. We got our little turtle and we got all that yummy fruit. Oh, here's another one. They're on their picnic picnic tablecloth, ready, picnic blanket, ready to have a picnic and a tea party. I love that. Are you ready for this one? Look at this one. Chris made this one. I absolutely love it. It's our milk bottle folded, but she turned it into a ketchup bottle. Hello, is that the coolest thing ever? Look at that. Let's catch up at the picnic. Ah, I love it. My friends, as I mentioned, Stampin' Die Hard Club members, you got to get these now because they are so amazingly awesome. First 24 hours they're on the website. They are on flash sale. Yes, you get your club discount. If you get the bundle, not only do you get our everyday low price, then our flash sale price, then the bundle price, then take off your club discount. I am literally paying you guys to be my friend. That's it. That's it. You know, I designed a club and I designed a company on the way I would want to be as a customer. And if I was a club member, I would want extra benefits. And that's what I'm giving to you. So my friends, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.